Alright, so today is official free practice. So ready na kami, waiting na lang kami sa iba. Tapos diretso tayo sa racetrack. Pasensya na, medyo foggy yung camera natin kasi malamig sa kwarto. Kakalabas lang natin. Yan. Alright, see you sa track ha.
You give me some times like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secret start in your heart.
So nag-change spring kami sa kay Rayo kasi too stiff yung spring niya, hindi namin makuha yung perfect na setting. So hopefully ito na yung solusyon. That's how you break in your brand new spring, ha? So you only have to sag one time. Right. Chill muna kami, no? Chill muna for the night. Tapos tomorrow will be time qualifying. But for now, chill muna kami dito sa pool. Alright. And we have arrived. Today is official qualifying. So, maaga tayo ngayon. Bawal late. Prepare na kaagad diretso sa tent. So, Joel on the hose. That's how you do it, guys. They're asking rider or staff. Racetrack crew, huh? Boys are watering the track. Yeah, so this is Joel's work. Joel, I'm showing them your work.
You FMSCT employee?
There.
I got all this potential that's deep inside of me, but they hate when you're successful cause they try to be. They sit there being judgmental because you're trying things, and they just want you to settle and do the right thing. So get a good job, don't slack off. Wake up every morning, make a good impression on your boss. Don't do anything that I wouldn't do, and when you're making money, make sure you don't spend it too soon. Fuck that, I'll do what I want.
Alright, so after nung last practice, yung motor ni Rayo, nag-complain siya sa akin. Sabi niya, first gear, second gear, malakas. Third gear, hindi umaakit yung RPM. Basically, ang feeling sa motor is parang umahon. So, feeling heavy siya mag-rev. So, nag-try ako mag-adjust ng jettings. Nag-okay konti, pero hindi pa rin ganon. So, dito naman sinahang modify. Alam ko yung two-stroke, pero alam ko mas alam niya. So, tandem naman kami. So, andito yung motor, ginagawa nila ngayon. Alright, so time qualifying na sila, schedule na nila ngayon. Pinakauna sila ni Joel, Alfarizi, Sam sa MX1. And then after nyan is 125 Junior and then MX2. So hopefully we get good qualifying times today. Alright, so nag-qualify nga sila kanina, naka mga 5 minutes in. Tapos biglang red flag. Red flag sila kasi kala ko may na-disgrasya. Red flag pala kasi yung mga transponders na nakakabit sa motor, lahat hindi gumagana. So andito lahat ng riders natin. Si Sam, si Joel. Waiting lang tayo. So yan sila, waiting lang. Tapos si Alfarizi, si Ben andito. Hey Ben.
Good boy.
Ben, Alfarizi andito. Sila Gerard Panalak, Boss Bunta here. So everybody's just waiting. I don't have an extra. So, Alright, so here's one very tricked out YZ.
Is it?
Got everything in it, all the bling bling bolts, wheel set, suspension, triple clamps. Yep, everything in it. I think it's got titanium bolts, axles too, exhaust. This is all tricked out, the braided brake lines, everything. Really nice bike. It's Tristan. So, ito yung 85cc rider natin, no? Si Oat, yung number 555. So, kaabang-abang tong bata to. Malaki future nito. So, hopefully we get a good result for the weekend. Alright, so kahapon hindi nakapag-qualify sila Joel sa MX1 kasi yung transponder may issues. So today supposed to be race day already, pero ang sabi ng organizers is today ang qualifying nila and then diretso race na, no? So I'll give you muna the results of yesterday's qualifying para sa ibang classes, no? So, sa MX2 Pro, third si Sam, and then si Rayo sa MX2 Juniors is 11, and then sa Junior 125 para kay Rayo is 6th. So, yan yung qualifying standings natin. Yan din yung gate pick priority. So, yeah, ready naman na lahat. Nag-routine maintenance and check lang. And then, we'll see. sa result nila Joel and Alfarizi today.
Tell me about the people that you know who are trying to feel alive. Life can get hard, so honey, if you need to cry, just come share.
Alright, so kanina sa MX2, P1 si Sam Larsen. So that's very good for Team Good Boy. P1 si Sam. Si Oat, yung number 555 na 85cc rider natin. Sa Big Wheel kanina, first siya. Tapos ngayon, tatakbo siya ulit sa Small Wheel, 85cc. So, andito tayo sa starting line. Tingnan natin ano resulta. Right, so sunod-sunod yung mga class natin. Kakatapos lang ni Oat, yung 555, champion siya. Kanina pala sa Big Wheel, second place lang siya. So second place siya sa Big Wheel, champion siya sa Small Wheel sa 85. Ngayon si Rayo Ipanag, 125 Junior, papasok. Tingnan natin ano resulta. Alright, so tatakbo ngayon is si Rayo, number 8. Tatakbo siya sa MX2 Junior. Hopefully maka-place ng mas maayos ngayon. Alright, so sa MX2 Junior, 7th si Rayo. So, it's good enough. Very good. Ayan na siya. 6 or 7? Oh, goods na goods. And then after that, tatakbo yung 65cc. And then MX1 na. So sila Joel, sila Alfarizi. So yeah, we're hoping for a very good result this race weekend.
I think I'll chew in.
time, ano? It's time for the MX1
ของพิธีมอบรางวัลนะครับโดยคุณเฉลิมพลทองสุขเลิศนะครับท่านก็จะขึ้นให้เกียรติมอบรางวัลนะครับโดยคุณทองสุขเลิศนั้นก็พร้อมที่จะมอบรางวัลให้ตรงนี้กันเลยนะครับอันดับที่ 5 นะครับ
hoping for a
ตร
good
งนี้
race.
เลยนะฮะสำหรับ
Pasok na sila dito.
ภูมิพัฒน์ชื่นช
Sa
อบ
iting
จาก
lap,
ภูมิฟาร์ม
pasok sa start gate, go time na.
มอบตลอด
Alright. Alright, so natapos lang ng race. Si Joel, si Joel P3, si Alpha Rizzi P4. So yan yung final result for round 2. Tomorrow is round 3. Same track, same everything. So, kung ano yung standing nila ngayon, that will be their qualifying, their gate pick tomorrow. So, hoping for a better result tomorrow. It's afternoon and round 3. Round 3. Yesterday was round 2, same race track, pero ginawa nilang double header. So round 2 and 3 is here, yesterday and today. So different, para hindi kayo ma-confuse. Yung kahapon is considered a different race. Today is another race. Hindi to siya ano ha. So i-add up pa rin yung points kahit same weekend, same race track. Kasi nga round 2 and 3 siya. So yeah.
Everything that you got to give, baby, show me the light. Wanna go down, stay, kissing your feet, and you make me crazy.
Okay, so galing ako doon sa start gate. Kausap ko si Sam. Sumemplang kasi siya kahapon sa whoops. Sabi niya sobrang sakit ng katawan niya today. Feeling niya hindi niya kaya mag-podium, pero sabi ko since points leader na siya, try niya lang mag-save ng points. So hopefully kaya na mag-mid pack, kahit mid pack na lang okay na. Sobrang sakit talaga ng katawan niya, uminom na nga ng painkiller. We'll see. Sam na
5
race.
อันดับนะครับ
Good
ขึ้น
thing.
มาบนเวทีเลยนะครั
All shot siya, pero pagdating sa whoop, sobrang sakit ng katawan niya.
รุ่นต่อไป
Nag-give up siya up to parang 14th. And then slowly moved his way up hanggang P5. So he finished P5, which is very good. That means, sa calculation ko, siya pa rin yung points leader coming to the next race. So that's very good. Kahit sobrang sakit ng katawan niya, kinaya niya para sa points niya. So very good. Alright, so ngayon, practice para kila Joel, MX1. Tapos this afternoon, race na ulit for round 3. So practice pa lang to ngayon. Next up naman is sila Rayo Ipanag sa 125 Junior. So in a few minutes, papasok na yan dito for the sighting lap and then pasok sa starting gate. Alright. Alright, so ngayon turn na nila ni Joel, MX1 na. So si Joel, si Alfarizi, tapos si Sam papasok. Pero si Sam malamang hindi makaka-place kasi sobrang sakit na ng katawan niya. Hindi na daw kaya. Pero sabi namin pasok lang siya. Baka we don't know, but instruction namin kung hindi na safe sa kanya, exit lang siya sa track, no? So yesterday sobrang lakas ni Nemo. Hopefully today makakasabay sila Joel and Adele. So yeah, we're preparing the bikes here already. And then hopefully good day tayo today. Alright, so si Joel for round 3 is 3rd.
ในวันนี้นะครับขอบคุณกองทุนพัฒนาไฟฟ้ากระหนองครับองค์การบริหารส่วนจังหวัดนครศรีธรรมราชคุณวานิชวงศ์ครับนายกอบจนครศรีนะครับ
To the next round tayo, but it's very good for everybody. We're happy. At least everybody's safe. Merong konting mga kontak-kontak kanina sa 250, sa 450, but we're all good. Everybody's safe, so okay lang.
มูลนิธิสยามปู่อินทร์ชน